Vermont State settles $175,000 with Gregory Bombard over controversial traffic stop. In a significant legal resolution, the state of Vermont has agreed to a $175,000 settlement with Gregory Bombard following a contentious traffic stop that led to his arrest in 2018. Dash cam footage shows Vermont State Police Trooper Brigan pulling Bombard over for allegedly giving him the middle finger. Bombard says he never made the gesture. Trooper Brigan questioned Bombard at the scene before eventually walking away. With the support of the ACLU, Bombard later filed a lawsuit against Brigan, arguing that the arrest violated his First Amendment rights. The lawsuit highlighted concerns about police behavior and the suppression of free speech. In a statement, Bombard expressed his hope that Vermont State Police will train their troopers to avoid silencing criticism or making baseless traffic stops. He emphasized the need for better training and accountability within the force. He plans to use the settlement money to cover legal fees and to treat his mother to a nice dinner. This case underscores the importance of upholding constitutional rights and addressing misconduct in law enforcement.